Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, is Chinese New Year Eve, and we are going to Malaysia. But so far, we are 1 hour stuck here already in the traffic. Look at that behind, this long queue. Ayan, naka-1 oras na kami sa traffic, but still going. Okay, let's go for today's video. We are going to Legoland. Yay! Mga tulog sila. Shout out daw. Shout out. Hi guys, ayan. Kakapasok lang namin ng Malaysia and we are on the way to Legoland. Let's go. Hi guys, we are near here. Yeah, this is the Legoland. Yay! There, we're going there. Hi guys, we are here in Legoland. Ayan, so late na kami. It's already, anong oras na ba? Anong oras na ba? It's already 2 o'clock, so we're gonna eat first before we go in para dire-diretso na. Let's go! We are here in KFC. We're going to eat first. And yeah, need to order. Hi guys, let's eat!
Shout out!
Laban muna sa kainan bago lumaban sa mga rides later. KFC. KFC Malaysia. Yeah? Yeah, you the one? Hi guys, we are entering Legoland now. Ayan, papasok na kami. Late na kami. 3 PM na. So, we're gonna have only 3 hours to play. So, sulitin lang natin to guys. Let's go! Oh, ito. 360. Oh. So guys, ayan. Papasok na kami. At luckily, wala masyadong pila sa ticketing. So, I think because our ticket, we bought it online by KKday. Siguro hindi na namin kailangan ipakita doon. Diretso na siguro. Let's try it. So, ayan guys. Papasok na kami at andun pa yung mga magpipinsan. Kasi nagpipicture pa sila sa bungad. So, ayan. Papasok na kami dito. So, we're entering now. We have our ticket. Tingnan mo yung anak ko. So guys, papasok pa lang, sasalubungin na tayo ng mga Legos. Ayan, see? Look at that. That's real Lego. Wow. So ayan guys, papasok pa lang kami. Ayan ang makikita nyo sa papasok. Also the entrance.
Sabi ko video mo eh. Walang tao.
Nagpunta kami rito, daming tao.
Oo, kami din eh. Unang bukas nito. Kami yata ang nag-open nito. Yan si Husband, may pinipil ka pa siya. I don't know what is it. Wisdom Wisdom tree. Ayan. Oh, may pring ano. Magsulat kayo ng wisdom, tapos may pring ano. Ganito. Good health. Happy New Year. Wish a good health.
Joby, dito nga kayo sa hagdan. Guys, look at this. The world's biggest ship. Ayan. Nagawa nila sa Lego. So, we gonna make our first rides here is the driving school. No need to say that Joby is 20 na. I think until 12 years old, Chen. Joby! Gonna do here driving school for Naira. Go Joby, go Joby, go. Parang naiya si Joby.
Go, Joby!
Naira! Joby, go! Joby! Take the red, Joby! Joby, ayun na yung yellow.
Alam, nagsaluyo siya.
Ang bagal kasi.
Nagsaluyo siya, kala ko guardian.
Joby!
Joby! Joby!
Joby, wrong way ka na.
Joby! Go, Joby!
1, 2, and 3. Alright. You feel free to park anywhere you want as long as at the traffic light. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, if you're ready, in my car. Step on every pedal. Okay, one by one. Wherever you go, moving
Joby, pakigalaw yung baso. Joby, ba yung musika?
Naira, go! Walang isnawa na.
Hindi yung umiikot. Ay, inis na yan.
Wala. Sarap na eh. Nawala na. guys, we are going to do the boat ride and we are queuing here. Let's go! Ayan. We are queuing here for the boat ride. Hey guys, we are doing this boat ride. And yeah, I'm driving now. It's raining. But it's raining. Wait, I prepare my umbrella first.
Oh, the second one is the engine, huh?
Yeah. Wait. Ay, wait.
Ang cute to. Nung ano.
Block. Huh? Block. Yeah, I know. I need to open my umbrella first.
Ako muna magkocontrol.
Ikaw.
Ako na nga. Ako na. Oh my gosh.
Okay na.
Where are we going? We're trapped.
It's okay. It's okay.
Dito muna ta.
Okay. Ayan, let's go. Boat ride. Kuhanan mo din sila sa dito. Woo! Turn it. Conveyance. Wow, ang sosyal, naka-umbrella. Woo! Beautiful camera. Time! Sure! Oh, Titanic. Yay! Woo! Ano ba?
Nalalamala ka ba?
Okay, go. Para namang hindi naman ito gumagana.
Parang ano lang eh. Ano ba yun?
Bye!
Nagpo-flow lang.
We are driving in the boat. Whoop! Oh, it's raining! Yeah!
Oh my God! Ang lakas ng ulan. Dito tayo.
Joby, nakatutok ba sa atin yan?
Ayan o.
Woo! It's okay. You're in the bag. Woo!
Mag-ano sa Tito Najib.
Buti na lang magkasama kayo. Sa basa at sa tuyo.
Basang ito ako.
Basang-basa sa ulan. Walang masisilungan. Walang malalapitan.
Alam mo ba na tayo?
Woo! Baba natin para hindi mabasa.
OMG, basa na kami!
Help! Woo! Ba't mo, Joby?
Parang ano tuloy na gano'n tayo. yung nag-asa, yung
OMG! We're so wet!
mag-evacuate ng bahay.
Rescuer. Rescuer lang ang peg namin, guys. Kasi, tignan mo naman, ang lakas ng ulan. Dumikit ka pa. Ang liit ng payong natin. Buti na lang pinakuha ko. Kinaira yung payong.
Oo, ano mo sila.
Maawa ka rin sa phone ko. Wait first. Hi guys, we are going to Legoland Express. Take the train and we're gonna go one round because it's raining. So we continue by riding a train like this. Let's go. Ano yan? Yeah, three of you can. We are in the train. Picture, Naira, where are you? And train right here. Pupunta tayo sa jungle. We are going to jungle uphill. Bababay.
Saya-saya na pa.
Bababay siya. Ito, inaayos nila yung mga ano, yung small land. Ito yung small land, lahat ng ano, ayun o. Mga miniature. Sarado, nire-renovate. Natin kanina, yung boat ride. It's just raining, so just make it this ride to have some fun, even it's raining. Beep, 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 beep. Snack time here. And nap time this.
Bakit ganyan yung...
Look at here. 1, 2, 3, Keng. Naira. Naira, look at here. Naira. Ayan, they taking this. Isa-isa pala yan. Land adventure, and we're gonna ride some right here. Let's see what we can do. Here we have the Lost Kingdom adventure. Yeah, That's the Lost Kingdom. And there got another thing. Lost Kingdom, parang nakakatakot yan. But we gonna go there. Oh, this one is the last time my kids play when they still young. But they wanted to do that one, the tower. Let's go walk. Kahit maulan, sige lang. Tuloy lang ang ligaya. No, that's the one you go Naira last time. It's a 3D. 4D. Ah, yung ano, tower flying. Mamaya doon tayo sa river.
Rapids.
Ha?
Rapids ba yan?
Oo.
River sa
Joby, picture ka dyan, no? Let's go here.
picture ko.
Ninja go.
Ay, gagawin ganito. Maganda, picture ko dali. Maganda. Doon kasi bigla. Mag-iPhone ko ang tinta. Hindi. Transformer.
Oo, Transformer. O, dali mo yan doon sa Universal. You can build. Aesthetic. Inap na, uy, grabe ka mag-picture. Wala na ba?
Ang
Haba ng pila.
Hindi, ang haba ng nakapila.
May ang haba ng pila dito.
Ay, ganyan pala.
4D yan, show din. Babasa ka din.
Babasa din?
Konti lang. VIP tayo, wala tayong kasabay. O, diba? VIP kayo, wala kayong kasabay, diba? Nag-aesthetic pa doon. Ha?
Ninja.
Ninja go! Let's go! Wala pa? Oh, naman. Yeah! Wala ko yan. Ako pala na. Ako pala wala. Ganon. We're done!
Basta, sinong basa?
Ako pinakabasa. Okay guys, see? Basang-basa kami. We'll take this Dino Island, yeah. And we are so wet! And we're gonna dry here. Woo! Basang-basa sa ulan.
Naman, parang hindi ka maluto yung
Kaya nga. Tingnan mo naman, para ako naghilamos doon. Hindi ka hindi ka ninaabot. Uwi ka ng hapde. Ang hapde, the water is so salty. Kasi tumama talaga sa mukha ko. Grabe. Tingnan mo naman, para ako naghilamos. Nakuha mo?
parang air fryer. Putih saya baju.
Tama ba?
Okay. Tama ba? Kunin ko na sa akin ha.
Next, we gonna take this one. Observatory tower deck. We're gonna take this one. I think this is the last one we're gonna do because it's late already and go back to Singapore. So let's do this, guys. Let's go. Ay. Thank you. Find them inside. All the way inside. Wala na? There. We are all here in
Trekking up.
Oh, basa. Joby.
Thank you.
We need to clear the glass first so we can get a nice view. Let's go! We are going up. Yay! We are top of the world. It's just woo! It's turning. That's the road. Huh? I cannot see downstairs. Nakakalula. Oh my God! Grabe, nakakalula. I cannot see. Kasi in front on.
Saan din yung swimming pool?
Ha? Ayun o, yung water park. Ayun yung water park na pinuntahan namin nung kailan. Tapos ito yung Legoland Hotel.
Roller coaster.
Sakay tayo dyan.
Ayoko. No, thank you. Ha? Ayun yung Legoland Hotel.
Meron pa doon ang taas.
Yung water, ginawa nila yan. Di ba you did ride that one? OMG, so high. How high is it? Basta. Ayan yung kabuuan ng Legoland. Ikot na namin.
Mag-elevator na nasa labas. Can't see the elevator outside. That's gonna be scary.
And we are done to ride this one. We are done. Let's go. for another stream attraction. Oh yeah, this is our last one. We can go already. It's already 6 o'clock. So this theme park closed at 8 p.m. Thank you. Come on. Look at that, guys. It's so dangerous. So stream, because it's just one car going down and up. It's like kind of scary. And here got a lot of water park. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Oh no! Wow! Hi guys! Now it's already 7 o'clock and we are about to go out. But first, they want to try the Chinese clothes and take photo. Because they got here, it's free. Oh, and have show. Have last full show. They got show here on the stage. I don't think so we're gonna watch. We just want to do the Chinese baju, Chinese costume to take photo over there. So yeah, let's them wear. Take out your cup, Naira. Come, give me. Hayaan mo na, halfway ko na lang kukunin. Take your umbrella.
Madami pa talaga ako.
O, dali, solo ka muna. Naira, take the blue one, bigger. Hayaan mo siya, hindi kasya sa kanya. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yung rabbit hindi kita. Sama nyo naman sila. Okay guys, ayan ang costume nila. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. So cute. And then, binibigay nila yung pocket. This one for trading. If you have your old Lego, they can trade for a new one. So nice. Huh? Go there in the counter. So she buy the Lego flowers. Oh, this one here. But you get what? See, you see, she got flowers to do. And we end our dinner here before we go back to Singapore. We're just having Burger King. So, yeah. Let's eat, guys. Oh, and pasok ka. Yobi. Sarap.
Ikaw nag-aalaga kay Bea.